Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this newspaper of Wednesday, April the 13th, 2022. We have three regular puzzles: the binary I've just solved, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And it's time for the medium Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this medium Sudoku. Yeah, today war day number 49. Yes, day number 49. Almost 50 days in war. The Ukrainians and the Russian. Yeah, the Russian army. Okay. Let me scan the puzzle. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. And this will be number 4401. 4401. All right. And 26, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, 15, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see. 2, 2. Yeah. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 5. We have 8 and a 5 in this row. So no 8 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 8 and 5, 8 and a 5. Okay, so what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, and look, we have 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. All right. Okay. Let me see. How about? Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 7, 3, and a 2. We have a 7, 3, and a 2 in this row, the middle row. So no 7, 3, and a 2 in these 3 boxes. 7, 3, and a 2, 7, 3, and a 2, 7, 3, and a 2. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3. The 4 is missing, 1 and 4. And the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. These 3 boxes, 7, 3, and a 2. 7, 3, and a 2. But we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So the 7 and the 3, we have a pair. 7 and 3. All right. 1 box left in this row for number 1. the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8 are missing. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Do we have all the 1s? Let me count. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this column. No 2 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row. 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And now I can, wait. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Okay. All right. Let me see. Can do something with the 9s. No. 9. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the first row, no 9 in that box, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, so the row be 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay, cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6, but let me see. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here. This box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. All right. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. All right. Okay, 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. So the other two numbers in this big square, other numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. All right. 5, 5, 7, 3. 7, 3. Okay. Then, let me see. 6, 6. I'm thinking the 8 in the third row, the 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. 8, 8. Alright, and a 7. 8 and a 7. We have a pair. 7 and an 8 in this column. 7 and an 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 8. That means we have 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. 1 box left in this big square. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here the 7 and 8. The other 2 numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be an 8. 3, 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. This box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. 7 and 8. We have a 7 here. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Oh! 2 numbers left, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time because I'm faster than a 15 to 20 minutes I've indicated. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those numbers. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will share it with you. We have here the 718, 718, 572, 572, and 643. 643. We have here the 7 as a pair. One pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, one pair. All right, the 7. Thank you. And I will see you very, very soon with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.